Welcome to the front of Blackview A90, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then tap here to the security section. Then click here to the fingerprint. Use your pattern or password if you have. Then just tap here to next, and now I'll just slide with my finger here the power key button to add it. So then just tap to done. Now I just successfully add the fingerprint here, and now let's just check it. So I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how far this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. We just can unlock the device just in 1 second with a simple touch here. I'm not pressing the power key, I'm just simple touch it by this way. So that's the good result for the fingerprint. I suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the PIN code or passcode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.